Oh, Jubrilson! Ano ba ginagawa mo?
Magkakape daw si boss.
Marunong ka bang gumawa ng kape na yan? Sino nagtuturo sa'yo? Alam mo ba talaga yan?
Turuan ako ito.
Sigurado? Baka ibang lasa niyan, ha? Sigurado na magustuhan niya ni boss, ha?
Ay, naku, gusto niyang kape pag nag-timpla ko.
Sigurado ka marunong, ha? Kasi
Ay,
baka...
basag na pala siya.
Naku, nabasag
Basag
na.
na siya. It's
Oh my
hard.
God.
It's hard.
It's hard.
Yeah. So, kailangan natin bumili.
So we need a new one.
Oh, tingnan mo.
That's why we could not use it again. It's very dangerous.
Yes, very dangerous.
Yeah. It's broken.
Broken.
Yeah, it's broke
so
already.
how can I help you?
Make ordinary coffee. In the hot pot.
Huh?
There. Yeah. No Tagalog. Yeah. Speak only English, huh?
Yes, I know very well about English.
Oh. How can you make now a coffee? That one is broke already.
Huh?
Look at that one. Look at the water.
No, the water is broken.
How the comes the water is broken?
Because like falling down.
It's still falling down. Okay. Knock knock. Klok 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 klok. Ano pa paglingkod namin, sir?
Babalik po ako, sir. Babalik.
Bakit? Saan ka ba nagtrabaho?
Balik ka dito. Pwede ba? Nalibuhin mo ako? Kung lang kayo, bali, wala ka pera-pera nga tao. Dito kung lang, bali, wala mga...
Titisa ka, tanggalin
Huwag mo tanggalin yan, kasi ikuha ko yan, accent ko yan.
Accent.
Signature?
Accent ko yan.
Ang ganyan ngayon is no Tagalog. Lahat
Tagalog,
English.
yeah. So what's that?
That's my accent, you know.
Asset.
What kind of asset?
Akala ko ang asset mo, ito.
Ito, yeah. Ito at saka ito.
Yan ang accent ko.
For today's video mga amigo, kami ay mag-i-English walang Tagalog. So,
Don't speak Tagalog. I don't like.
Good afternoon, everybody.
Good afternoon.
How are you?
Fine, fine.
I'm fine.
Yeah.
Alright, for today's video, Kuya Ben June will explain to us how to
Make coffee.
a coffee.
Broad coffee.
Brewed coffee.
Yeah.
Oh, Ben June, you have to
Explain.
Explain to them.
First, you pour water inside this drum.
Okay, let's see what happened.
It should be 3 meters.
How many liters you
You
put?
see that 3 maximum is 4.
4 liters.
No, 4 meter.
4 meters? That's not a measurement. It's liters.
You just
Meters?
divide it by you conversion of
meters.
unit. Yeah, convert it to liter to
Okay.
liters. You don't know. Because you know,
After that,
after that, just close it.
And then?
The lid.
What else? What next?
You need to put
What's what?
spoon.
Wow. Why are you using spoon? For what?
Open this slowly. Then remove it.
There's inside already. Clean first. Clean. Why are you not cleaning that one? Throw first the garbage.
how to clean?
How? You know how to clean? Yeah. Are you sure?
Cleanliness is next to godliness.
Are you sure?
Yeah, very sure. Like that. You know what to say?
Yeah. I didn't know.
Why you don't know?
Because I didn't know. Why you make broke that one?
Explanation.
Okay, I'll wait.
When you make coffee, you know coffee is a good for our health because it has an antioxidant particle. Ayun yung CCTV. It's pasok ka na, sir.
Okay, pasok po.
Pasok na, kuya.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
And then,
Siya, kuya, yung may-ari. Siya makapaliwanag, kuya.
yeah.
Ano na kabit?
Okay. Di mo masasabunan yan? You don't need to put what? You remove only the particle. So you need to clean it first, that one, so that we cannot drink dirty coffee. Yeah.
Remove it
Yeah.
until the particle has fallen apart.
Okay. And then put it back in the machine. Okay, put it back in the machine.
Like this. If you don't have a rag,
Why you are making your clothes look? That's not a rag. Oh.
I don't know how to do that.
And then
This one, see? Too much
clean
dirt.
first that one. It's too much dirt. See? Oh. Too much dirt, huh?
Yes.
After, how many spoon you put?
The boss told me only
Only one
and a half.
one full spoon.
1.5. So that if you
One.
if you put too much, you cannot sleep.
Yeah, too much. It's brewed coffee, you know.
Yeah.
You know,
It's
my
very
friend.
expensive.
Yeah, expensive. We cannot buy that one, right?
Ethiopia.
It's from Ethiopia. It's very far, huh? Very, very far. It's expensive coffee. And then after that, what else?
So you need to saksak.
Ah, pot in the flag. Yeah. And then what else to? Way too much.
Put this one in
Ah,
the water can.
okay. So.
So you know already.
Yeah. Now I have an idea how to make coffee, brewed coffee. Okay. We will wait and then we'll wait for the result of the coffee. Okay. We will wait, huh? Okay. What happened now?
Now you know I already put water. The water is all pulled down. In the
So it's already finished. Done.
yes, in the kettle. It's so black.
Oh.
Black.
Kettle?
Kettle.
Yeah, kettle. This is
Kettle,
for kettle.
yeah.
Remove the chupador.
Chupa.
And chupa.
Chupa.
Remove the
Yeah.
flag.
Flag. Now.
You know,
What flag?
you know,
Yeah.
sometimes I speak Spanish.
Why?
Because
I thought you forget to read Spanish.
I work in Ecuador. They speak like lenguaje de español, señor.
Ah.
After that, remove this kettle. You see?
Now.
You
What
see the
happened?
black?
Black coffee?
Yeah, black
Why
coffee.
it's called black? It's brown.
No, because black is beautiful.
Oh.
So we
Oh.
will give the
Put in the
mag.
Oh.
This is called mag.
What?
Mag.
mag.
Yeah, mag.
Spill mag.
M-U-G.
Ah, sure. Are you sure that coffee is good?
Little pool.
Little.
Yeah.
Why not too much? Why only little?
Yeah.
Oh.
You can drink it.
Yeah. It smell good?
Yeah.
Mm.
The aroma is like as you see
What?
the sometimes science
What science?
of aroma.
Science
You
of
smell-
aroma.
Smell,
Mm.
smell you see. Oh.
Mm.
Taste the smell.
It's original coffee.
Yeah, it's
Original coffee.
This is from Ethiopia.
Ethiopia.
This is Robusta.
Robusta. Oh, are you sure?
Yeah, I give
Now,
to-
serve.
to my CEO.
CEO. Okay. Okay, now boss.
Once this show-
They are coffee.
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 Coffee, my dear.
Huh?
You can bring me coffee, my coffee.
Coffee.
This is a coffee.
Explain what
from-
coffee.
This coffee from Ethiopia.
Uh-huh.
Ethiopia is one of the biggest country in Africa, and it takes abundance of coffee plants. We have a coffee plantation in Ethiopia. So try it, and you can tell me what is your rate about the. First, smell it before you
Smell.
drink.
Oh. What's the smell?
Why?
Oh.
What?
What?
Then taste
What?
it. Then
Oh,
taste
yeah,
it.
yeah.
Drink-
Try
drink
it.
little.
Yeah.
Drink
Oh,
little. Drink little.
yeah. Well, like that. No, not like that. Yeah.
No, you take a social. You
Yeah.
take a
Social drinker. Social coffee lover. Social coffee lover. Show me. Now, what's the test? What's the test?
How much the taste?
What's the test?
The test? Test?
Test.
Test?
Where was toss?
Test? No.
Yeah.
Ano?
What's the test?
What's the taste of that?
What can you say about the coffee? Yeah.
So is it?
We
How?
have 3-in-1. Better 3-in-1.
Why?
3-in-1 coffee.
Taste
Oh,
very
yeah,
tasty.
yeah,
Hindi
yeah.
masarap yung gawa mo eh.
Huh?
Not good.
Why? Why not good?
No?
How come it's not good? They are. Oh, how? Explain well. Why is that good?
Not tasty.
Not good.
What happened to your fish? Why your fish broken?
Not good.
Magpapaka lang sa vlog. Sabi niya marunong mag-taste ng coffee.
English.
English. Yeah.
Don't embarrass me in the lab because it's love and effort. I do it.
Yeah.
Ano?
I do it with love and effort.
Are you sure?
But 3-in-1 is better.
How comes bitter? He said it's number coffee in the world.
Yes,
It's from Ethiopia.
You
Yeah.
drink too much. It means you like it.
Yeah. How comes your face is like something?
Sugar is good for diabetic.
No
You
bien,
know,
no bien.
¿Por qué no bien?
Antioxidant.
Oh.
Then your stomach will be small.
Oh.
When you drink it, and your face will become not like Munay. It becomes yeah.
What is the,
Yeah.
can you tell us what is the benefits of
The coffee.
drinking brewed coffee?
Yes. Sir,
Explain.
Give me one benefit.
No, I'm asking you,
Yeah.
not him.
So
Yeah.
first of all, coffee is one of the best drinkers for morning. One is coffee, and you know what? Coffee, it has an antioxidants. It's good for the fighting for all the particles in the body.
What
the,
kind of particles?
The cells, the bad cells.
Bad cells.
The bad cells.
What do you have, bad cells or good cells?
Oh, we have one good cells.
Not all bad.
It's good also for removing stress while you are sitting in the
What kind of
What's
stress do you
stress?
have?
Huh?
What's
kind of
stress?
do you have,
I have two stress.
what kind of
I have two stress.
Uh,
Personal stress and matingga stress. We're talking about.
Why? How come? How come you stress like that?
When I was in university, I have two stress only.
Why?
Personal stress and matingga stress.
Why you stress
What's the
matingga?
problem with that?
okay,
why?
I understand.
We're talking a coffee. How
Yeah.
comes?
To remove stress and to remove some of depressed.
Depressed.
What depressed?
Huh?
How come you got depressed?
How many types of depressed do you have?
Yeah.
Repressed and depressed.
How come you got depressed? Ah.
You know what to say?
Ah.
When I was walking down,
Wow.
When you're walking down the street,
Down the street.
when you're walking down the street,
I'm walking down the street.
Then?
Then I saw some
Some what?
rumble.
ano number
What rumble?
Fighting each other.
Why they're fighting?
in the street.
Fighting for what?
Then when I saw them, I feel depressed.
How?
And how about the compressed?
Then when
How about the compressed? Oh.
Say, okay. Explain compress. Compress.
when I feel depressed,
Uh-huh.
then my body will become compressed. It become compressed because of depressed. That's the reason why.
Okay.
Yeah. Then after you drink coffee, you become repressed.
Refresh. And then,
Oh, next, what
Next,
are the
yeah.
benefits more?
more
It
benefits.
has an I know it has a pro when you have a partner, when you have a partner like your wife or your girlfriend, boyfriend, it gives you an arousal.
What arousal? I didn't know what's arousal. Yeah.
Arousal means you have urge to have loving to your partner.
How many types or how many types of
How many types?
There are two types compared to arousal. One in the bed and one in the sofa. Because when you take breakfast, you drink coffee. That is breakfast coffee in bed. Yeah.
And then?
When you sit in the sofa, that is breakfast in the morning normally.
Normally.
Normally,
Ah.
you sit in the sofa to drink coffee. That's normal sexual arousal.
Oh! Bumuga! Bumuga! Binuga! Bumuga! Bumuga! Akala ko lalabas sa ilong.
Pero naman check-in pa!
It's bad. You're smoking bad. It's not good. It's not good. You know? Yeah.
Don't bash me.
Yeah.
I'm also
basher.
I'm humble.
What kind of humble?
Humble like good.
Don't talk like that, my friend, because it's not a good words, you know? We're in busy.
I'm sorry, my friend.
Okay.
Sawadee ka.
Sorry ka.
Ano sa'yo? Arigato.
Arigato gozaimasu.
Perdón.
Perdón. Okay.
So,
So what? So
kumusta ba?
Kumusta? Bumuga uli. Bumuga. You're drawing like a dragon, ha?
Tapos ginagawa mo.
Walang script na. Walang
No, you're just like a dragon. You're throwing
Look,
look at that
myself.
one.
Myself is not.
Why you're doing like that, my friend?
That's
Your
why
etiquette, your
no,
protocol.
that's why Cinco Filipinos is going down.
No, friend. There's
Because of our content.
No problem, at least we have content. Yeah.
You know, my friend, it's only just Bardagulan.
Yeah, particular.
Yeah.
How many?
Bardagulan.
So kayo mag-alala, I don't agree.
Don't get mad.
Don't get mad.
Don't get mad. Arigatou gozaimasu.
Sabihan.
Sawa.
Sama bien.
Bien. Vale, bye-bye. Arigato.